let's review some Amazon bundles that I bought myself. This video is not sponsored. I did purchase everything in this video on my own. I am not receiving a commission at all. So I bought these bundles to do a flip over quick weave. The flip over is one of my favorite hairstyles, and I typically do them with pack hair. But I decided to try out some bundles that I saw on Amazon, and I want to do a review for you guys. So this is not going to be a detailed tutorial. However, if you do need a detailed tutorial on how to do this exact style, just click the link that is in my description box. It's going to take you to another one of my videos that are a step-by-step, very detailed flip over quick weave tutorial. This video is really focused on the hair. So at the end of the video, I am going to do a 1 month update on this hair just to give a well-rounded review of what I think about the bundles and if you should also purchase or just try them out for your next quick weave. And just a little sneak peek, I definitely do think that they're worth it. But again, stay tuned to the end of the video for that full review. Now that my install is fully installed, I'm just styling. Again, this is a bob flip over, so my hair is already cut into the length I liked. Now I'm just adding my layers. I always add layers to my hair in sections. So just like you see me doing, I'm parting off my hair and I'm going up to the crown of my head with the layers. And then for the front of my head, I kind of do, the front, the very top part that falls into your face, always kind of do those layers a little bit differently. But I did want to share a little bit on how I styled the hair, just because, you know, the styling is a little bit different than any of my other videos. So I wanted to give a little more details there. The only thing that I do is go section by section and cut the layers. I do like to point cut upwards just so it's not as choppy. I don't do that on each layer, but if it starts to look choppy, make sure that you do that. It kind of helps everything look a little more blended together and not so much of a blunt cut. But honestly, I kind of trust myself at this part, just because when you curl it, it kind of saves you a little bit if it looks funny. But this is how it came out. I really loved it. Really, really loved it. I've had my hair in, like, I think this is week 3 that I've had my hair in. I did purchase this hair by myself. It is not sponsored at all. I purchased it by myself on Amazon. I'll put my direct link that I used to get the hair. I actually really like it. It was affordable. And I'm going to say, I'm going to talk and curl my hair. Honestly, I bought this hair because I went into the beauty supply store. Originally, what I wanted to do was an install like this, a flip over like this, but with color. So I was gonna do like the red and the brown and the blonde, like a Keisha Cole type of look. That's what I was going for. I went into and I wanted to do it like next day. So I went into the beauty supply store to get pack hair. I went to the beauty supply store to get pack hair, and I don't know if it's just me or if anybody else feels like this, but my local beauty supply stores, I feel like all of their products are old. I feel like they are selling old, ancient, expired stuff. And I went in there looking for the bundles. I'm seeing brands that are super old that nobody has anymore, right? And I'm just like, okay, but long story short, they didn't have the color I was looking for. And I don't know. I'm really just tired of the beauty supply store, for real. Like, it's just a hassle. I don't know. And prices are going up. I don't know. It's just, no. So I remember I had went on Amazon before and saw some like Empire hair, some old brands I used to use as well. Like, what is it called? I can't, Remy Velvet or something. I think I had saw it on Amazon. So I went on there to initially purchase the pack hair for my quick weave. I usually will use pack hair for my quick weaves just because I always cut them up like this. It's no using them again. I cut my bundles up. I usually do a whole bunch of stuff to them. So yeah, it's always like for me when it comes to a flip over or a quick weave rather, I never use any like good hair, just me personally, because I do it myself and I cut the crap out of some hair. So I usually just get really affordable hair. So I don't feel bad when I take my hair out and throw the hair away. So anyway, I went on there to get pack hair. When I went on there though, the pack hair, it wasn't going to arrive. They didn't have the color I wanted either, but I could order it, but it wasn't going to arrive for a while, and I was ready to do my hair. So I'm like, okay, well, this is not gonna work because I'm ready to do my hair. And then, you know how like Amazon will suggest things to you? I saw some bundles. So then I'm like, okay, maybe I can try some bundles out. And they were originally colored too, but when I was looking at the bundle deals and the different colors, it still was that I was gonna have to wait to get the color. And I didn't want to wait. So I said, okay, I'll just get like a normal color so that I can do my hair tomorrow. I'm still gonna do that style though. So y'all be on the lookout for that. I cannot wait to do that style, but I'm gonna do it later on. But anyway, so that's just how I got here and how I purchased the hair. I was going through the reviews and I was just like, I should try some of the hair. And it actually worked out well. I would definitely suggest the hair. It's way better than pack hair. It's definitely way better than pack hair. It's human hair or whatever. It's supposed to be human hair, which I can believe it. It's not something that I would like I would definitely use this hair again for an install similar or even longer. I don't think I would get like a really long length in the hair. I just don't know. I haven't tested out a longer length to say that. So I bought a shorter length because I know I wanted this type of look with it. But I think it would be worth it to try a longer length. It's really cute. I do like it. And I would definitely recommend this hair. I am going to link it in the description, of course. And this is not sponsored whatsoever. It's not sponsored at all. I just like the hair and it worked out. And I'll be honest too, I have not been taking care of the hair as of late. Since this style is kind of getting old, I haven't been wrapping it up. I haven't been doing anything to it. Just because I really wanted to try it out and see how durable the hair is, or just to get the true essence of the hair. And I like it. I do. I really do like it. I'm glad I tried it out because I won't be purchasing the bundle hair anymore. If I want to do another quick weave, I will definitely get this hair. Definitely will do that instead of the other one. So listen, I'm just gonna do my edges because I haven't taken the pictures for my video just yet, and I'm actually going to be taking this out tomorrow. I'm gonna do a new hairstyle tomorrow because I'm just ready for a new style, something similar. This is 3 full bundles of Amazon hair. It was affordable, and honestly, the bundle pricing has gone up for pack hair. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get like affordable hair. I think this was cheaper than the beauty supply store. That's a part of why I left too, because I'm like, what? It didn't make sense. It didn't make sense. So I'm glad. Let me know if it's a specific brand on Amazon you guys want me to purchase from to see, because I do not mind. I will definitely try it out. I do like a new hairstyle. I do typically every week I do a new hairstyle, but when I do an install like this, I'll try to keep it in. But majority of the time I do a new hairstyle almost every week. So let me know if it's one specific that you want me to buy. I know I always do a lot of reviews on companies that have sent me the hair, and I do sell them as well. So I'll link my website below as well if you ever wanted to like purchase one of the wigs that I've reviewed, and you get the exact wig that I've reviewed, so you'll know exactly what you're getting. No guess to that. I'll leave that website down below. But again, this hair that I have in now was not sponsored. I bought it for myself and I like it. I'm glad I found something on the first try that I could recommend and that I'm actually gonna do again. I think that's too much here in the middle. Hold on. I was just talking about not slicking the middle down. Not slicking it. Okay. Since you've been away, I've been thinking about you. And I feel like I've styled it different ways multiple times. Ooh, yeah, it's starting to get old. I got stuff in the hair. It's time for me to get like shampoo my hair. But like I said too, I have definitely been rough on this install. I have not been wrapping it up. I have not been at night. I have not been wrapping it up. I have not been taking care of it at all. And it still looks good. But this is the hair, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for that next video with the it's gonna be like this, so a similar, oh, I ain't like that, a similar install, but I want to use the color. So I'm also going to show you how to blend your hair, because I'm not dyeing my hair, but how to blend your hair with color hair in a flip over. If it's something like that, you don't want to dye your hair, the flip over is pretty much the way you want to go. But this is my hair, guys, and the install I did. Again, this is a 3-week update on the hair. So at the beginning of the video, that was when I first got the hair, and it's been 3 weeks from then. So yeah, I'm so glad I found some hair, affordable hair at that, to recommend to you guys. Again, stay tuned for the next one. Like this video, of course, if you do like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just, you know, keep up with me. I am gonna be posting a lot more often. I took a break for a while. I really be stuck in like mother mode and me mode and like family life. It's a lot going on, but I do kind of want to navigate that with other mothers, other, like, you know, like-minded people. So really, yeah, let's all help each other out. And again, thank you guys for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next one.